Welcome to your Tire Linc PRO TPMS LCD touchscreen. In this short video, we'll show you how to use your LCD to set up internal sensors and how it can also support external systems. Let's get started. Before anything else, plug in your LCD using the cord that came in your kit. If it's fully drained, a full charge may take up to 4 hours. We recommend starting with a full battery before pairing any sensors. While it's charging, take a few minutes to get to know your LCD. Familiarity now will save time later. Let's look at the key features and buttons. This touchscreen lets you navigate the setup and view real-time tire data with just a few taps. You'll see helpful interface features throughout the setup process. Don't worry, the LCD guides you step by step as you go. Step 1. Locate your repeater. It's typically installed in your RV's front cargo area near the batteries or electronics bay. Step 2. Turn on the LCD. It will ask a few basic questions. Follow the prompts until you reach the repeater pairing screen. Make sure the LCD is close to the repeater before beginning the pairing process. Using a pen or paper clip, press and hold the repeater's pair mode button. Release when you see one long LED flash followed by 2 quick flashes. That's your pairing signal. On the LCD, press continue to confirm the repeater is ready. The LCD will walk you through the connection. Watch the screen for progress. When pairing is complete, you will hear the device beep to signal a successful connection. Choose your trailer type from one of the convenient presets, then select how many axles and tires you have. For internal sensor systems, tap Internal Sensors to begin pairing. Internal sensors are mounted inside your tire, directly opposite the valve stem. You won't see them, but we'll show you how to find them. To pair an internal sensor, press the top of the LCD to the tire, directly above the sensor's location. Next, tap the tire on screen that matches the location you're pairing. You can pair tires in any order. While maintaining contact with the tire, press and hold the blue pairing button on the side of the device until you hear a beep. Keep the LCD pressed to the tire during the entire pairing sequence. When it's successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Then, move to the next tire and repeat. If you added a spare but don't yet have the sensor, press Cancel. You can always add it later. Once all tires are paired, press Continue to head to your system settings. Now that you are paired, you're all set. For more personalization options, check out the manual. Open it from the QR code on the insert card. Want more features? Download the Tire Linc PRO app for access to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay.